Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. Today I have in this Redcat Cyclone XB10. My good buddy Brian at TDR Drones, E-Bikes and Scooters sent this in. Check his channel out, I'll link it below. If you like quadcopters and all that stuff, and he has e-bikes and does a lot of scooters, the electric scooters, check him out. And he sent this to me, so I had the track here set up from when I ran the Tomahawk, so I figured I might as well try this in the backyard too. So let's see how this goes. I don't know if it'll be able to turn this sharp course, but we'll find out. Let's see. Maybe too quick. That's actually working. Whoa. That's a little tight for this beauty. This is more of a basher. Whoa! Let's take it over here. Whoa, the brakes work good on it. So does reverse. Let's see what it does over here. Yeah, this goes fast on the top end, but it's hard to drive through this tight course. I'll go a few laps. Oh! Oh, it jumps pretty good. It has like a soft pulse start on this thing. I could tell once you keep going and it has a little speed, it'll pick up quicker. They have like a soft startup. Let's try the other way. I'm surprised it's going around here though. This is a little tight course here. It's not too big. Oh, hit a rock over there. Got to do a lot of throttle control with this thing. Ah! Woo! Let's just run it in the yard and open her up. See how she goes. See if she's fast. Oh! Pretty quick. Brushed. Oh. It's a little too fast for this course. Wreck everything here. See over here. Whoa, what am I doing? I took my eyes off it for a second. A no-no in RC. Don't ever take your eyes off your car. Yeah, this is hard to drive this course. Let's see if I could hit this jump. Yeah, I hit the jump all right. I could hit this. Yeah. Found myself a new jump. Oh! Almost hit a pipe. Oh! Right into a rock. Nothing's broken. What I did to this beauty when I got it from Brian, I took the shocks apart. They had real thick oil in them. When you dropped it like that, like this, it would stay stiff and just bounce. I put, I think, 25 in there. Works like a beauty now. Hard to drive on this track with this. This is the stock battery it came with. Looks like it's dead. It was 2000 milliamps. It's a NIM pack. And gave me like the charger with 2 batteries and stuff. The suspension works so much better now. Alright guys, just wanted to show you this beauty. Since I had the track set up, I figured, what the hell, might as well take this one out and enjoy the track before I take it all out and put it back in the house. If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up. Comments are awesome. Thanks all my Shenantics for always supporting me. I appreciate it. And ShenRC, we'll see you next time. Thanks Brian, TDR Drones, for sending the buggy. Guys, check out his channel. I'll leave it linked below. I'll see you next time. Now to clean up the track and pack it away.